SKIL TS6307-00 review. Portable job site precision with a folding stand advantage. The board slipped just as the cut finished, and the edge came out slightly off square. I remember standing there, staring at a project that should have been simple. A friend once scrapped an entire cabinet panel after a wobbly fence ruined the rip. It adds up fast. That quiet frustration is real. Ever had a cut like that? Inaccurate cuts do more than waste lumber. They chip away at confidence and slow everything down. One weekend builder told me he spent hours remeasuring because he did not trust his old saw's fence. Hours gone. You feel it in your shoulders, that low-grade tension of second-guessing every pass. But better control and cleaner workflow are possible. The shift happened when I spent time with the SKIL TS6307-00. Don't just pick any job site table saw. Make sure it has rack and pinion fence rails so you never experience crooked rip cuts everyone hates again. That fence system stays parallel to the blade, making adjustments smooth and repeatable instead of guesswork. The 15-amp motor pushing up to 4,600 RPM delivers steady power through hardwoods, while the 25.5-inch rip capacity handles sheet goods without feeling cramped. The integrated folding stand changes the setup entirely. One contractor I know nearly missed a trim deadline when his old saw struggled with 4x4 stock. With the SKIL TS6307-00, he cut cleanly at 90 degrees in a single pass and wrapped the job on time. That matters. The coated cast aluminum tabletop glides material smoothly, and the anti-restart switch adds practical safety on busy sites. Some experienced users even appreciate how compact storage frees up garage space between projects. Stick with me, because long-term results tell the bigger story. Over time, the SKIL TS6307-00 settles into your workflow as a dependable baseline. Cuts feel predictable, fence adjustments stay true, and bevel changes from -2 to 47 degrees happen quickly, with positive stops at 0 and 45. One respected tool reviewer described it as offering performance surprisingly close to higher-end models while remaining approachable for DIYers. An everyday user told me it was square right out of the box, and I finally stopped double-checking every measurement. That kind of trust changes how you work. I noticed that after a few weeks, projects moved faster simply because I was not fighting the tool. Small win. Some buyers worry about the included 24-tooth blade or the miter gauge, and yes, upgrading the blade can improve finish quality, but the core platform, motor strength, and rack and pinion system are what define the experience. See why so many builders quietly recommend it. What would you build first with a saw that feels stable and dialed in? The folding stand also means it stores compactly, which matters more than most people expect in a tight garage. The SKIL TS6307-00 is not about flash. It is about steady performance, portable design, and real accuracy where it counts. More DIYers and small shop builders are choosing it because it blends power, rip capacity, and folding stand convenience into one practical package. Results may vary depending on blade choice and setup, but the foundation is solid. If you are ready for cleaner cuts and calmer workflow, check the link in the description or pinned comment and experience the difference today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.